Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Citizens Bank debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Citizens Bank debit card out of the envelope and keep it with you. Next, check the front of the card to confirm your name is spelled correctly. Then, look at the sticker on the card, because it often includes activation instructions and a phone number. After that, locate your PIN mailer if Citizens sent a temporary PIN in a separate letter. Now, make sure you have your social security number or the last 4 digits available, because the system may ask for verification. Next, prepare your mobile phone, because you may need it for a security code or to make a call. Then, decide which method you will use: phone activation, online banking, or the Citizens mobile app. If you choose phone activation, find the activation phone number printed on the sticker or on the back of your card. Call that number and listen carefully to the automated prompts. When asked, enter your full debit card number using your keypad. Next, enter the expiration date and the security code if the system requests it. Then, confirm your identity by entering your zip code or the last 4 digits of your SSN if prompted. After that, follow the instructions to set or confirm your debit card PIN. Now, wait for the system to say your card is activated, and do not hang up until you hear confirmation. If you choose online activation, open a browser and go to the official Citizens Bank website. Click Login and sign in to your online banking using your username and password. If you do not have online banking yet, select Enroll and complete the registration steps with your account details. Once logged in, go to the Card Services or Manage Cards section in the menu. Find your new debit card in the list and select Activate Card. Confirm the details on screen and submit the activation request. If you choose mobile app activation, download the Citizens mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your online banking credentials. Tap Menu and go to Card Management or Card Services, depending on your app version. Select your debit card and tap Activate to complete the activation. After activation, sign the back of your card on the signature panel using a pen. Make a small test purchase with your PIN at a store, or use an ATM balance inquiry to confirm the card works. Turn on transaction alerts in the app so you can monitor card activity in real time. If activation fails, call the number on the back of your card and ask a representative to activate it and check for any account holds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.